It's been very difficult to get outside into the garden during this hot, warm spell that we're having at the minute. I need to get some maintenance done, so I'm out there this morning fairly early, and I'm just cutting back the extra leaves on this Berinda papyrifera. It revealed these beautiful, large, powdery blue canes that reach into the clouds. What I've done today is I've just chopped off the side leaves of all these bamboos just to restrict the growth a bit. Less leaves, less energy. And then we took out the small shoots to keep the big ones, give it a bit of space to breathe, and it's going to do fine. And if you want an easy life with your bamboo, it's worthwhile just buying a root barrier just to go around when you pop it into the ground. At this point it's easier to do at the beginning. So I want to leave bamboo land behind us now, and it's time to clean up the leaves on the Fatsia. I've said it before, but this is one of my favourite plants. It's absolutely amazing. You can't get a better looking jungle plant than this. Really easy going. The only thing you have to do is pull off some of these yellow leaves every now and again, and it actually thrives in a shady area. At the beginning of the year, this plant managed to get a few mealybugs. What they look like is little white cotton bud-like bugs, and they suck the juice out of your leaves. So all I did was take off some of the old leaves, make sure they don't go anywhere near the rest of the fatsias, and make a neem oil solution up to spray over the plant. It looks pretty clear at the minute, so I think we've done a good job there. And if you find you've got these dark, crispy patches on your leaves, probably a sign that a bit of sun damage has happened at the back there. The light shines through the back over that fence straight onto this plant, and you can feel it's all dry and crispy. It's also a good reminder in this hot weather, give the plant a little bit more moisture at the roots. So at the back of this border, behind the fern, actually sits a phormium. this phormium will be much better suited to a sunny location rather than under the Fatsia. Then it'll probably grow as big as all my other phormiums in the garden, which are absolutely massive. I'm going to keep that in the back of my mind while I clean out all these old leaves. Wondrously large leaves belong to the Rheum palmatum, and it's another particular favourite of mine because it makes the jungle look so lush. Normally this time of the year I haven't watered it enough and it's just died off, all these brown leaves just taken over. The green leaves are reduced to nothing. But this year, thankfully, I've managed to keep it moist enough to keep it going up till now, even in this heat. It's also known as the Chinese rhubarb, but don't go eating it because it's not edible. One thing I really like about this plant is in spring, when it's all started growing again after it's all died back from winter, what you see are these alien-like red, bright red bulbs poking out the soil, and that's actually the start of the leaves. But it is a really good indicator that your garden's just about burst into life again. So while I'm at the back of the garden, it's a good idea, I think, just to take a couple of cuttings of the Euphorbia mellifera. This is a beautiful plant. This doesn't mind the dry at all. If you're doing this, what you want to do is wear gloves, because you get this sap on your hands and some people's skin reacts badly to it. So we're holding it carefully and we're chopping off all the leaves. We're just going to leave a couple of little ones at the top, and then we're going to put it back in the soil. Hopefully we'll get something from it. Passing by one of the giant phormiums, and I can see that the chefflera is trying to tell me something. It's obviously not very happy. Reason being, lack of water and extremely hot. And when it gets hot, these leaves tend to droop and look a bit lethargic. It must be time to break out the hosepipe and super soak this bad boy. Of course, there's always easier ways of doing that. Now the chocolate vine stew haircut, but we're not going to be tackling that. We're going to be looking at something a lot smaller, something a bit easier to manage. And it's this marjoram or oregano. Not quite sure which one it is. Maybe you can tell me. It's amazing to think that this herb actually grows in your gravel. Just a quick job to trim up the leaves, make it look a bit better, encourage it to spread out a bit more. And every time I walk by this, I get a really strong aromatic smell. It's lovely. It makes me think of pizzas. Yum. Last job on the list, and I need your help for this, because I'm going to chop down this conifer. It's not really in keeping with the rest of the garden. It's been there for years, and it's seen its best days. So I want to swap it out for something pretty jungly, something that's lush, it's got large, big leaves. Feel free to make any suggestions in the comments. A couple of things to bear in mind is it's quite close to the house, even though there's a root barrier. The other thing is it's quite dry there, so I'm not quite sure what to put in. I'll have a think about that. So nothing gets wasted, and the wood from the conifer basically goes back into building the borders at the side of the paths. And as we reach the end of Von's garden today, just want to say thank you for coming along. If you've made it all the way to the end, then you are awesome. If you like my videos and you want to see more, just click them buttons. There's also some more on the channel, so feel free just to have a browse and check out the other ones. And hopefully we'll get back to doing some more soon. But for now, just allow me to indulge your senses one last time as we watch the moment when a beam of light that's travelled 93 million miles from the sun finally arrives in On's garden and gets absorbed by all the lush plants. Enjoy.
I am waiting for a bus at the end of the night under street lamp, bent face flamed by the light. I'm going away. I'm going away. I'm going away. And the sun gonna shine on a brand new day. Must be somewhere welcome me into the fold. Blooming flowers, as much as I can